What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on CCIV stock. First of all, brief information about Churchill Capital Corporation 4. Churchill Capital Corporation 4 engaged in the operation of blank check firm. The firm was formed for the purpose of effecting a merger, and this particular firm was formed for the merger with this company. It is a Lucid Air, and in my opinion, it is one of the most promising manufacturer of luxury EV cars for now. They don't have products on the market right now, but they are about to launch their first model. It is a Lucid Air. I will give you some details a little bit later, but for now, if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with the notification bell. In this case, you won't miss my next video. So, as you can see, at the beginning of January, we had rumors that Churchill Capital Corporation 4 will have a merger with the Lucid Air. And from this point, we have a surge in price for more than 500%. And we had the official statement at about February 11th, I guess, and from that point we've searched for about 100%. And since the all-time highs of $65, we have this huge decline of 68%. And for now we again have this, someone might call it a dead cat bounce, but in my opinion it is just a consolidation phase, and we have a lot of information, a lot of negative information during past several weeks. And here is one of the news that was published on March 23rd. We are on Investor Place, and it says CCIV stock, the Lucid Motors SPAC news that sent shares stumbling today. And let me quote you some information. On January 11th, Bloomberg reported that Churchill Capital was in business talks with Lucid Motors. However, yesterday CCIV filed an S4 with the SEC detailing its merger negotiations with Lucid Motors. In that filing, the company said, at the time the article was published, Churchill and Lucid had not had any discussions with respect to a potential business combination. Subsequent to the Bloomberg article, Churchill began exploring a possible business combination with Lucid due to its interest in the electric vehicle industry. And as you can see, this dramatically reversed the narrative of those merger negotiations and has investors understandably uncertain. Yes, we have a lot of information that CCIV stock is overvalued and it doesn't have any products for now. And some bad news was made on March the 1st, and as you can see, we are on Green Cars reports. And it is about the delay of production Air electric sedan to Q2 2021. And it says, we now know that we won't be able to start delivering Lucid Air this spring at the level of quality we insist on providing, Rawlinson said. And Rawlinson is a CEO of this company, and he added, we continue to make final refinements and largely due to COVID-imposed delays are now tracking toward a start of production as early as we can in the second half of 2021. And basically this news from March the 1st made this decline from this point to this for about 48%. And here we have this consolidation between two key levels of 0.65 and 0.786. And as you can see, it is a good support for now for the price action. And here we have good volume, rather good volume compared to red ones, and this might give us a chance to have a trend reversal. But let's continue with the news. So in my opinion, we have two news that might be a catalyst for the price. First of all, that they announced on March 22nd, I guess, that 500 limited units of Lucid Air Dream Edition priced at $169,000 have been fully reserved. The Dream Edition alone can generate potential revenue of around $84.5 million. This is the first news, and after this launch and after the first testimonials from the customers, we might see two possibilities. First of all, if the launch will be successful and all the customers will be extremely satisfied with these cars, and the range of the cars will be as good as was reported by the company, we will have a good price action, and we will have a good catalyst for price to go up. But in other case, we might have some lower points with the price of this share, because this company will have to make some adjustments to their product, and that's why it might took much more time to make this company successful. And on top of this news, we have a good catalyst, but it is far ahead in the future, and it is Project Gravity. And in my opinion, it might be much more successful than Lucid Air. As you can see, it is SUV, and it is rather big SUV, and we have a date of 2023, and this year, in my opinion, will be some kind of pivotal year for the company, and in 2023 we will have either a success of Lucid Air, or this company will fail. And for now, they have another catalyst, another potential catalyst. It is energy storage. And here is the news that was published on March 22nd. We are on Yahoo Finance, and it says Lucid Motors shares new plans for growth in battery business. And I want to pay your attention only on the first part of this title. And it says, TechCrunch reported that Lucid Motors sees a second life of its electric vehicle batteries in the energy storage space. Lucid Motors is experimenting with energy storage system for both commercial and residential customers. And in my opinion, it is a very clever decision to give a second life for their batteries, because at the end of the production life of the cars, they have about 70% of capability in their batteries. And these 70% might be useful for the stationary energy storage, and this might give another cash flow for the company. And to add some information, let me show you institutional investors of CCIV. And as you can see, all green lines indicates that these companies are buying, and they are opening their positions. And as you can see, we have almost zero red lines. Only one of them was made on February 16th. And all the other companies, they still hold their position. And we don't have any sales among these institutionals as for this data. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. In this case, you won't miss my next video, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, as you might see, we have this huge gap from $57 to about $44. And usually we have to refill this gap by the price action, and it is one of potential good signs from the technical standpoint. On top of that, we have double bottom, and we have strong support right here at the $21 mark. It is around 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level from the bottom to the top of this run. And in my opinion, it is a still good company to invest your money in. And let me remind you that our first entry point was right here at about $17 price point. And the next one was about $36. And we tried to catch this falling knife at $43. But in total, your average price should be rather good, because of my suggestion not to go all in any asset on the market. Basically, for now, we have a chance to add our position at $22 mark, and in my opinion, it is good entry point. But we have some negative sentiment on the market for now, and this sentiment might lead us to lower points. And it might be difficult to handle your position from these tops, but keep in mind that this company is still growing. This company has enough money to operate, and this company is about to launch their first product, and they are working on their second car, and they diversify their intention in energy storage industry, and that's why in the long run I think this company will be successful. So As for now, this is the good entry point for you as an investor if you've already done your own due diligence and not afraid to see some negative momentum in the price action. And basically for now, I think you can add your position right here, and after we will see some kind of price action in upcoming weeks, I will do an update and we will see what should we do with this company. So for now, I think that's it. Please subscribe to my channel with notification bell and hit the like button. See you guys and girls next time. Bye.